So problem set 2, question number 14. Mr. Dinesh owns an agricultural farm in the village Talwell. The length of the farm is 10 meters more than the twice the breadth. So that means rectangular है. In order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square shaped pond inside the farm. So imagine how it is. You are having, means that person is having the rectangular farm और उसके अंदर एक कोई स्क्वायर पार्ट में उसने रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए किया है. He dug a square shaped pond inside the farm. The side of the pond is 1/3 the breadth of the farm. Okay, so अगर breadth x है, this is the breadth. Longer is called length and shorter is called breadth, isn't it? So how much will be this is? It will be 1/3 of this, and it's a square, so all the sides will be 1/3 of x, right? And what it is said, the length of the farm is 10 meters more than the twice the breadth. So breadth is x, so twice the breadth 2x or 10 more, so plus 10. So this will become length of that farm, correct? I hope you are understanding. Okay. The size of the pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm. So okay, we have done that. The area of farm is 20 times the area of pond. So area of pond we will be able to measure easily. 1/3 of, what is the formula? Side square. So 1/3 upon 1/3 x का square. उसका कितना? 20 times. Will be equal to what? इसका. So 2x plus 10 into x. Length into breadth ना for rectangular part. So x into 2x plus 10 will be 20 times 1/3 of x. So this is how we will get the equation. And what you have to find out? You have to find out the length and the breadth of the farm and of the pond also. So मतलब once you will get x, तो 1/3 of x भी find करने का है और 2x plus 10 भी find करना है. Correct? So all these things you are going to do it. Is the question clear? Shall we start writing part now? Whatever we understood, we are going to do it. It's better if we draw the diagram. It will make a clear concept. So I will also draw properly, and you also draw in your notebook. So let us draw it here. Big rectangle you draw, and in that, say we have a pond here. It should be rectangle, square, right? So say it is ABCD, and say this is PQR. What we are going to assume the breadth part, isn't it? That has to be x. So this will be x, this will be 2x plus 10, and this will be 1/3 of x, as we have understood. So now let us write down the things. Let the breadth of field be x meters. Children, everything is in meters ना there, isn't it? 10 meters more than तो meters में ही आएगा, हाँ? Therefore length will be 2x plus 10 meters. All right. Please write down your meter also, huh? 2x plus 10 meters. And therefore, area of field will be length into breadth. So that is 2x plus 10 into x square meters. also side of square shaped pond. 1/3 na, 1/3 of m. So therefore area of pond will be 1/3 of x the whole square meter.
Mr. Do little bit left side.
Now we will use the given condition. So according to given condition, what do they say? It is 20 times na. So x into 2x plus 10 is equal to 20 times 1/3 x the whole square. So now open the bracket. 2x
Before
square
side of square, what you have written?
plus 10x is equal to 20 into 1/9 x square. So 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20/9 x square. Now here we have 9 na. So multiply throughout by 9. Multiply throughout by 9. So 9 into 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20x square आएगा, isn't it? So 9 2s are 18, x square plus 90 x is equal to 9 2s are 18 and 10 9s are 90. Here x square, here x, and then is equal to 20x square. Now children, take all the things on one side. What you will get? 0 is equal to 20x square minus 18x square minus 90. That is 2x square minus 90x. Right? Divide by 2 throughout. So what you are going to have? 0 is equal to x square minus 45x. Correct? If I write x square minus 45x is equal to 0. Again, I can take x common. X minus 45 equal to 0. So therefore what? X is equal to 0 or x minus 45 equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 45. Now can the length be 0? Length can't be 0 ना, नहीं तो फील्ड ही कैसे रहेगा? Isn't it? So x is equal to 0 is not acceptable. As length cannot be 0, therefore x is equal to 0 is not acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 45. So we have got the breadth, children. Now we will find out the length also and then side of the square also, isn't it? So let us find out. 2x plus 10. 2x plus 10 will be 2 into 45 plus 10. So this is 90. 90 plus 10, which is 100 meters. Right? मीटर का सब बाद में लिख देंगे, पर इतना ही कर दो. फिर सर जस्ट कैलकुलेट द थिंग्स. And 1/3 of x. 1/3 of x is equal to 1/3 of 45. 45 3 से डिवाइड कर दो, 15 आएगा. So that is 15. So what will be your answer? Length of field is equal to 100 meters. Breadth is 45 meters. And side of the pond is equal to 15 meters. Okay, so that becomes your final answer. Now let us go towards the last question. Write this down quickly. Meanwhile, I am reading the 15th one. A tank is filled completely in 2 hours if both the taps are open. If one of the taps is open at a given time, the smaller tank takes 3 hours more than the larger one to fill the tank. How much time does each tap take to fill the tank completely? Now this is a quite interesting sum which we can have in our day-to-day life also. जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट काम करना है तो 2 नल खुला रखो, फटाफट टंकी भर जाएगी. Like that we think over. So it's a practical use of, see how mathematics help us in solving such problems. We'll go step by step, try to understand. Now here children they said कि अगर बड़े से छोटा टैप अगर खुला तो 3 घंटा ज़्यादा लगता है, isn't it? So what we will assume that the larger tap take x hours to fill the tank, correct? So we will find out x and then फिर x plus 3 दो आंसर फाइंड आउट करने करेंगे. So at least we should know what we are supposed to assume. So let the larger tap alone, अकेला alone fill the tank in x hours. Therefore, the smaller tap alone fill the tank in x plus 3 hours, correct? उससे 3 ज़्यादा, so x plus 3 hours. Now children, just have a common sense how we did before. अगर आप 4 दिन में एक काम कंप्लीट करते हो, सपोज a particular work you are completing 4 days. So in one day how much work you will do?
It's 1/4.
Yes, 1/4. तुम लोग चौथा भाग का काम करोगे, है ना. एक दिन में चौथा भाग का करोगे, फिर दूसरे दिन आधा हो गया, फिर तीसरे दिन 3/4 काम हो जाएगा, चौथे दिन पूरा काम हो जाएगा. सो इन वन डे 1/4 वर्क यू विल डू. सो लाइक दैट. इसको x घंटे लगते हैं पूरा भरने के लिए. तो 1 घंटे में कितना भरेगा? 1/x. इज दिस पार्ट?
1/x.
यस. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इट. So in 1 hour, larger tap will fill 1/x part of the tank and smaller will fill 1/x + 3 पार्ट, क्योंकि उसको x + 3 घंटे लगते हैं ना, तो 1 घंटे में 1/x + 3 पार्ट भरे गए. करेक्ट. सो अगर दोनों भी टैब ओपन हो गए तो 1 घंटे में कितना पानी भरा जाएगा? इट विल बी दिस प्लस दिस, राइट. बोथ द टैब्स आर ओपन.
1/x + 3.
Yes. Therefore, both children, I'm giving full explanation so that whenever you will read it, you will understand. So both the tabs together will fill 1/x plus 1/x plus 3 part of tank in 1 hour. 1 घंटे में ना, in 1 hour they will do this much. Now what is the first line again?
Miss, 2 hours will come, no, because in textbook it is given 2 hours.
हाँ, लेकिन 1 घंटे में कितना? Here we have what we found for 1 hour ना. So 1 hour it is 1/x इसका, और इसका 1/x plus 3. तो 1 घंटे दोनों भी नल खुला रहेगा, तो इसका पानी और इसका पीना, तो इतना ही आएगा ना. Okay, now we are going further. So both the taps together will fill the tank in 2 hours. That is what it is told ना, कि 2 घंटे में टंकी भर जाती है. So this is in 1 hour. So 2 hours में multiply by 2 will come. और यू कैन से कि 1 घंटे में आधी टंकी भरी जाएगी. वॉट एवर वे. समझ में आ रहा है? ये इतना पानी 1 घंटे में भरा गया, क्योंकि दोनों टैप खुले थे. अभी उनको बोला कि 2 घंटे में पूरा टैंक भर जाता है, 2 घंटे में. तो उसका मतलब क्या है? 1 घंटे में आधा टैंक भरेगा.
Yes, miss.
Half part of work will be done. So that is what. So this plus this will be equal to half. This is equal to half, you can say. So we'll write down that also. Both taps together fill the tank in 2 hours. Therefore, in 1 hour, 1/2 part will be filled. So we will equate this to half now, and then we will get the equation. So 1/x plus 1/x plus 3 is equal to 1/2. Okay. Now children, here यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे x plus 3 है. You cannot just add it. You have to take the LCM, isn't it? So इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन what you will get? x plus 3 plus x upon x into x plus 3 is equal to half. Is this point clear? We have taken LCM. Just cross multiply, you will get it. Now we will solve further. Slowly we are coming to the equation now. Only this part is here. Once equation is framed, फिर तो equation solve करना होता है. Main part was to understand कि कैसा होगा, छोटा टैब, बड़ा टैब, image इन सब. So it will be 2x plus 3 upon x square plus 3x. See x plus x 2x plus 3 नीचे x square plus 3x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now again what we will do? Cross multiplication. इसको यहाँ लेकर इसको you will get a straight line. Right? Shift this 2 here and shift this x square plus 3x to the right hand side. So 2 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 into x plus 3. So I will just write down this only. Open the bracket, 4x plus 6. Alright? So minus x square minus 3x is equal to 0. सबको एक जगह पे मैं लेके आई. चलो. So now what we will be left with? Minus x square plus x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we'll change the sign. Multiply by minus 1. Why? हम लोग को ये x के साथ में माइनस का अच्छा नहीं लगता है. नॉर्मल रूटीन. Okay. So now we have to factorize minus 6 in such a way. Minus 6 है product term. Means one should be positive, another should be negative because the product is negative. Product is negative when one is positive, one is negative. Na? What is the sign of greater number? Minus. So you have minus and this plus. अभी 6 के तो एक ही दो ही फैक्टर है. 1 6 1 are 6 and there 3 2s are 6. So we'll use 3 2s are 6. Correct? So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So that means x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2.
This is 2R, larger tap will fill 2 upon next part of tank, no? So we can take it directly.
Yes. So
Okay.
what we will say now? We will say that negative number. Time cannot be negative ना, तो minus 2 घंटे थोड़ी होते हैं.
Should be negative. So x is equals to 3.
Yes, so that argument we have to write it down. But the time cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 is not acceptable and therefore x is equal to 3. Right? And what is x plus 3? Therefore x plus 3 will be 3 plus 3, that is 6. So what is your answer? Larger tank will take 3 hours and the smaller will take 6. So we'll write down that also in words. Please write down with the units when you are writing your final answer, huh, children? The larger tap fills the tank in 3 hours and smaller tap takes 6 hours to fill the tank.